Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, comment below, and if you like it, please share it, because for us smaller YouTubers, it's really hard to get people to share and to reach other people. So if you share, it would really help a lot. So I really would appreciate it, and thank you in advance for that if you do share. And I've noticed a lot of you lately have been sharing, and I'm so grateful for that. So thank you for all of you who have been sharing. So today's quick and easy day, and we are making this adorable little treat holder. It's very quick and easy and very simple. I am using the Celebrate with Tags bundle. I really think this bundle has been missed in the catalog. It's such a good one, y'all. I haven't seen hardly anybody posting anything on it, so I wanted to do something to share it with you. It's actually to make tags, and it is for all different occasions. So here it is right here, the tags, Celebrate with Tags. And so you can use it for birthdays, for Christmas, for Valentine's Day. I mean, you can even use it for your baked goods when you bake during the holidays. I'll probably use that because I do a lot of baking during the holidays, and I give a lot to like my neighbors or friends or family because I just love to bake. It's one of my favorite things to do. So this one would be really cute for that, but here are the dies, and they are just tag dies. So you can use this tag as well. I'm using the one with the scallop because I love this little scallop, but it has these little extra circles, rectangles, and it has the little tags here that you can use, cut out your sentiments with. And I pulled another one out that we're going to use today. It has a snowflake, which I'm using today. Excuse my voice, my allergies are so bad. And then it has candles here, a balloon, little hearts. It's just so good, y'all. And you're going to want to make tags. Don't buy your own tags at Christmas or for birthdays, because look at how adorable this tag is. I just threw it together really quick just to show you how it works. And then that gives you the to and from. And you know how when you get the ones from the store, there's not enough room to sign or anything, and I love that about this. It's just so darn cute, and they're so much cuter than the ones that you find at the store. And you can use it for every occasion, a wedding, for anything, and just make your own little tag really quick by running this through, stamping, and that is it. And they're just a lot nicer than when you buy them at the store. So this is what I'm making. This die is what I'm making this box with. So this is the die, and this is how it comes. You just fold it in half, and that makes your tag. So this is what I'm using for this. I'm going to make the next one in real red. I just decided to do the basic white in here, but we'll see what the real red one looks like. And so let's just get started. I do need to bring the cut and emboss here first. No, let's stamp first because I need the cut and emboss to stamp our little mitten and our Be Jolly. So I got it on the Stamparatus because I love to have it dark enough. I like to stamp it a couple times, and if you don't have a Stamparatus, oh my goodness, y'all, this is one of the first things you should get your hands on, especially if you're a new stamper. This helps you to align things. It's just so good for stamping, be able to stamp a couple times to get, like, this would be too light for me, or if you miss a spot, it's so good to just be able to go over it again. And I love this thing. I use it a lot more off camera than on camera, but I thought I'd bring it up this time. And I just want to get this bottom part just a little bit more because I missed that in the beginning, the first stamp. So there you go. Look how nice and dark that is. I like it when it's really solid and dark. All right, I'm going to close this up, and I'm going to put it away, and we are going to stamp the sentiment, the Be Jolly. So I'm just going to grab this, and I'm going to do that one in Shaded Spruce. You know, I can't do a video without getting my fingers in the ink. So we're going to use this one and do the Be Jolly. just like that. And I could do this on the Stamparatus as well. All right, so we gotta cut the snowflake. This is for this right here. I'm gonna grab some of my mint tape, and we're gonna just put that on there. We're gonna do this one for our little mitten here. I love this mitten. And we're gonna do a snowflake as well, and I'll just put the snowflake right there. So let's bring up the cut and emboss and get these all ran through. So we're gonna go ahead and run this one through first. That's our tag. Let's see, can I fit this on here? No, we'll have to do that. Let's do this one together. So we're gonna run that through. You always don't do it on like the mat, this mat here. Mine, it always moves around. If you do it on a hard surface, it doesn't move around, and it's just so much easier. But because I'm doing the video, I need that mat there. All right, so we have our Be Jolly, and here's our little tag right there. And then we'll run these through. And that's all that we need that for. Okay, so we have everything ready to go. Here is our little tag, and what I'm going to do is bring up my trimmer here, and there is a line going straight across. You're just going to cut it on that line. Just put it right in the little channel here, and then cut. Just like that. So you'll have two equal tags, just like that. You can even make your tags like this. If you don't want to do the one that opens, you can do that for your other tags. Now you also need another piece, and this piece is 6.5 by 1.5. All right, so we need that piece. We are going to score it. So we are going to score this on the 1.5 inch side, and you're going to score it at 1/4. And then I'm going to turn it, and we are going to score it at 1/4 again on both sides. So 1/4 and 1.25, I guess. All right, so on the 6.5 inch side, you're going to score it at 2.25 and 4.25. And that's it. All these measurements will be in the inspiration sheet on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com as usual. All right, so to do this, we are going to cut in here. I'm keeping these straight so I can use them as a guideline. And then we're going to sharpen all of these. And you probably want to use wet glue on this because this is 1/4 inch on each side, so it's a little bit smaller. Wow, I think it is pouring again outside, y'all. We've had so much rain. There's been flooding all over. And so the people in Dallas, I'm not far from Dallas, but they got a bunch of flooding, and it's just been terrible. So keep those people in your prayers. All right, so now I'm just going to use my Stampin' Seal Plus here, and I'm just going to put a little bit. And it's just going to hold this straight for me. It's just on that very edge. You can use wet glue as well. This is just a little faster for me for the video. So I'm just going to pull that up, line that up. You know, we are in a drought here. All summer long we've had such high heat and no rain. And it's either feast or famine here. It's just been crazy. So I'm using my grid paper just to line this up straight. And it's just going to hold these, so you can use wet glue for this part. So now I'm going to use my wet glue for the rest because this is really, really narrow. And we're going to put glue on this side. And we are going to turn this over. And we are going to put it on here, right in the center. I'll use my bone folder. And then we're going to just go ahead and put glue on this part. I'm going to put a little under there because that one I didn't put enough of the seal. And if you're putting a box together, a few people have asked me about this. Don't use regular seal, use the Stampin' Seal Plus, because the Plus is the stronger one and the seal is just not as strong. So it's good for certain things, but not to put a box together because it won't hold your box together for very long. All right, then we're just putting that one on. Oops. The glue, you have to give it time. You can use your tear and tape for this too. You're just going to have to be really careful because it is 1/4 inch and it is about the same width as the tear and tape. And it takes the glue a little while to dry, but there you go. All right, now to mat these, I'm matting both sides, and I'm using the Designer Series paper, the same one I used for the other one, which is the Sweetest Christmas. It's this one right here. It's got the one with the candy canes on it, and it does coordinate with that candy cane bundle. And I love the paper in this. So I'm going to go ahead, and these are 2 by 2. And we are going to just place it right in the center here. I think the red one's going to be really cute. Boy, I have ink everywhere, y'all, today. I've been working in here quite a while, so it's probably not just from this project. All right, so then we're going to do this one. Love this paper. All right, and now we are going to add our snowflake to the front. And I'm just going to put that down here. We are going to pop up the mitten. I don't know why the mitten is making me go blank. Like, I have to think about what it is. I guess it's because it's been years since I've had to wear one. All right, so then that goes on here. And now we're going to do the Be Jolly. And I am gluing the Be Jolly on there, but I'm only putting the glue on one side because it's just going to go like right here in the front right there. And then we are going to just go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and, before I'm just going to stick these Jolly Ranchers in there. You're going to kind of squeeze the sides. And I kind of squeeze them both down so these kind of meet there in the center. I think this time I'm going to use the Garden Green because we have a lot of red on here. So I'm just going to use the Garden Green. And this is that same ribbon, the combo pack with the Real Red and Garden Green. And it just says Real Red and Garden Green ribbon combo. All these supplies will be shown also in that inspiration sheet. And again, I'm going to use my red and white baker's twine. You know, I love this. I got this off Amazon. All the products that you see that are not Stampin' Up! Are in the description box. And my scan and cut is listed there. I get a lot of questions about the scan and cut. And I always put all those links in my description. So check it out because you will find all that stuff there. And we're just going to tie a bow with this. We don't have red and white. We've had it before, but we don't have it now. So that's why I got this one. I love the red and white at Christmas. So there we go. All ready and done. I think I really like this red one. It's really cute. I think I like the red and white one better. Which one do you like better? Let me know in the comments. I think they're both real cute, but I really like the red. And I think you could do a garden green one too, and it'd be real cute. All right, everyone, if you need any supplies, like I said, you can shop for my blog at stampingwithamore.com. All the supplies you need for this will be in my shop at stampingwithamore.com. This is my August host code. If you use that, I would really appreciate it. I always put everyone that uses the hostess code in a drawing at the end of the month. I pull one name out. I will contact you by email telling you how much you have to spend, and it's always free dollars for you to be able to spend. All right, everyone, have a blessed day. I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.